Hey everybody, now this video we have a, I think it was 2004 or 5 Jaguar S-type lock, and we got to pick and decode it using the Tibbe pick. And there was some questions about the pick here after my last video I did on this here, so we can get you a close-up on it. It has this little pole here, that, or little, like a skewer or something that goes through just to keep everything lined up for when you're inserting into the lock. Keeps them from being able to rotate. And so this actually does have the tip of it here. Each disc here actually rotates, or each little piece here rotates a disc in the lock, controlled by the little knobs here, so you can actually rotate the discs in the lock. So this starting at the front here, this is actually going to be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in the back. And so each one does rotate individually. Kind of a heavy tool, feels well built. But so that's how it actually manipulates the lock here. So let me insert this back in, and we'll see if we can get this thing picked and decoded here. Alright, now with all Tibbe locks here, they'll all go to the lock side, but they won't go to the unlock side unless it's actually picked. So let me get a good camera angle on it here. Now the way you do this, I will pull this out so we can actually rotate it. And you're just going to rotate everything counterclockwise here. And then we notice that number 6 here doesn't go anywhere, so this is actually going to be a number 4 cut, which is what we use to tension it. And then we'll just go through, and you just kind of click them through the gates. And the false gates have a lot of play. The correct gate has the false gates have not as much play. The correct gates have a lot of play. So you're just feeling for when it kind of releases and has a lot of play to it, and then you know it's in the correct gate. And we've actually already got it picked. So then once it's picked here, to decode it, you want to rotate them all as far counterclockwise as we can here. And then we'll just let it out. And the way that you actually are going to decode this thing is we know that our number 6 on this particular lock is a 4. So we're just going to read down the line. Now, starting at the back here, this is actually 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basically, we're just looking at the line from the 4. And we can actually, going backwards here, it's actually going to be 4's lined up with 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, going down the line there. So going from the front, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, and that's actually our bidding on it. So that's real simple here on how to actually pick and decode. And then I've cut the key for already, and I'll put a video to cutting a Tibbe key up in the top right here on a different lock, but same process. We see the key actually works here, so we know it's decoded correctly. And like I said, there will be a video on the top right you can click on if you do want to see a Tibbe key cut there. So anyway, that's pretty much all I got for this particular lock. Questions or comments, put them in the comments, and that'll do it for this video, guys. We'll talk to everybody later.